Hi everyone, this is Ravindra from Mother Earth Managed Farmlands. Healthy plants always start with healthy soil. In our farm, we apply farm yard manure along with vermicompost, neem cake, micronutrients, and humic acid to achieve balanced and sustainable plant growth. Farm yard manure improves soil structure and increases water holding capacity. Vermicompost enriches the soil with beneficial microbes and provides slow release nutrients. Neem cake acts as a natural pest and nematode controller while also adding organic nitrogen to the soil. Micronutrients like zinc, iron, boron, and manganese prevent nutrition deficiencies and improve flowering, fruit setting, and overall plant growth. Humic acid plays a key role by improving nutrient absorption, stimulating root growth, and enriching soil microbial activity. When all these inputs are applied together, they work synergistically, improving soil fertility, strengthening roots, increasing plant immunity, and ultimately boosting yield and crop quality. This integrated organic approach ensures long-term soil health and sustainable farming. Thanks for watching.